On the occasion of the 8th Annual District Convention, we proudly present the service activities conducted by Region 1 under the competent leadership of Region Chairperson Lion R.K. Hegde and Zone Chairpersons Lion Venkata Narsamalu, Lion Gauri Krishna Raj and Lion Ramana Murthy. Vision being our region theme, the clubs conducted various eye screening camps in urban and rural areas. Hundreds of patients were screened, identified for cataract, surgeries were sponsored at Minto and Modi Eye hospitals, and free spectacles were distributed. Mega health camps were conducted at rural areas to educate the people. Our brave lions volunteered to serve even during the deadly pandemic, while grocery kits and daily need items were distributed among the migrant workers, orphanages, old age homes, COVID warriors and general public during the lockdown. Ayush immunity kits, auto partitions, face masks, shields, sanitizers and medicines were distributed to prevent the spread. While blood was the need of the hour for patients suffering from COVID, our clubs have organized blood donation camps across localities and thousands of patients have been benefited from this noble activity. Under the banner of relieving the hunger, thousands of daily wage workers, migrant laborers, homeless young and old have been fed every day during the lockdown, and later too by distribution of food packets and grocery kits. Our lions came to the aid of the deserving and the needy students who couldn't afford the educational costs. Scholarships were given, laptops, books, bags and stationery were donated to individuals and schools. Bus passes were sponsored, tobacco awareness sessions were held, and disability program for deaf and dumb students were conducted. The Pride came up with some unique service activities, adopted 4 cows at Koramangala, donated cots, beds and pillows to an old age home. The new Extension Club of Sidlakata inaugurated a Women's Empowerment Center. BBMP Paura Karmika ladies were felicitated and rewarded. Fully fledged libraries were set up at Vanakal Ashrama and Deepashri Kannada Medium School and books were donated. Braille books were sponsored for visually impaired. Legal awareness program was conducted to educate and empower girls. Donations were made for the treatment of cancer patients. Kidney dialysis patients were sponsored. Cornea was extracted and donated to Minto Hospital within 30 minutes of demise of an old-aged donor. Saplings were planted in various localities. COVID warriors and other eminent personalities were felicitated on various occasions. On the occasion of our region meet, a mega eye checkup camp was conducted in Chintamani, where more than 150 patients were screened and 19 free IOL operations were conducted with the help of Global Eye Hospitals. Eye screening counters were set up during the region meet, laptops were sponsored, scholarships were awarded, and 200 plus pairs of eyes were pledged. During the Lionistic year 2020-2021, Region 1 has added 85 lions to the Pride, 9 lions have contributed to MJF and PMJF, chartered 2 new club extensions, pledged for 2 model clubs, 327 service activities were conducted amounting to Rs 36,50,568. serving a total number of 72,051 beneficiaries. We thank all presidents and their teams of Region 1 for all the hard work. We thank our sponsors, supporters, volunteers and fellow Lions for your continued support.